How to make a paper airplane? Start with a piece of printer paper. Hold it the tall way. First, fold a third of the paper down. Next, take the top left corner of the part you already folded. Now fold it toward the center to form a triangle. Now do the same with the top right corner. This is the first step to make the nose or front of your airplane. Next, fold the top down. It should overlap the bottom. Cut the triangle by about a finger width. Now, take the overlap from the top of the triangle, fold it under the bottom. This helps keep the nose in place. Next, fold the whole paper in half with the folded triangle facing in. The slanted edge should line up evenly. These will become the wings. Fold the left wing out and press down along the dashes line. Now do the same with the right wing. Next, fold the outside edge of each wing up about a finger width. Press down. Then unfold the edge so they stand up straight. They will help your plane fly straight. Now lift the wings from the body so they are level with one another. Hooray! You have just made a paper airplane. Now send your new airplane flying.
Good job! You passed. Now, click on the items with the red X and
Goodbye.